Setting up a Kajabi account for your virtual family reunion. Step 1. Start free trial. Visit https://bit.ly/changekajabi website and click on Start your 14-day free trial. This will initiate the process of creating an account. Step 2. Enter your information. Fill in your personal information as required. This typically includes your name, email address, and desired password. Make sure you use a secure password that you'll remember. Step 3. Customize your account. Once you've set up your account, begin personalizing it to fit your virtual family reunion. You might want to set a family-related theme or create a custom banner to welcome your family members. Step 4. Plan your reunion. Use the AI tools provided by Kajabi to structure your event. These tools can assist you in creating a schedule of events, sending out invitations, or setting up chat rooms for different family branches. Step 5. Build your marketing campaign. Although this might not typically be applicable to a family reunion, if your family is large or spread out, you might want to create a marketing campaign to ensure everyone is aware of the reunion. Utilize Kajabi's tools to create compelling emails, social posts, or even a promotional video. Step 6. Launch. Once everything is in place, it's time to launch your virtual family reunion. Send out the links and instructions family members need to join, and ensure everyone knows when the reunion is taking place. Step 7. Monitor and adjust as the reunion goes on. Use Kajabi's tools to monitor engagement and adjust things as necessary. You might want to change up the schedule, open new chat rooms, or adjust other elements to better fit the needs and desires of your family members. Remember, Kajabi offers a wide variety of tools and resources, so take some time to familiarize yourself with the platform and don't be afraid to get creative with your virtual family reunion. Billionaire mindset. I can. I will. I must. Let's grow.